What is monitoring? Monitoring is the systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and using information to track a program's progress toward reaching its objectives and to guide management decisions. Monitoring usually focuses on processes, such as when and where activities occur, who delivers them, and how many people or entities they reach. What is evaluation? Evaluation is the systematic assessment of an activity, project, program, strategy, policy, topic, theme, sector, operational area, or institution's performance. Evaluation focuses on expected and achieved accomplishments, examining the results chain, inputs, activities, outputs, outcomes, and impacts, processes, contextual factors, and causality, in order to understand achievements or the lack of achievements. Evaluation aims at determining the relevance, impact, effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainability of interventions and the contributions of the intervention to the results achieved.